So we gotta pick up good old pickups. Oh, don't think that. It's Coca-Cola, but it's modern Coca-Cola. I don't know, I can give that a slap up on Marketplace. It's take what I want, leave what I don't, and whatever I don't want goes to the curb, so. Including all this military stuff, which I gotta take a look at. Okay, I'm gonna take a look at the military stuff in 1 second. Okay, everybody, I picked through the military stuff, took what I wanted, took some stuff I'm probably just gonna go back out for trash, just wanted to look at it more at home. Left all the super holy stuff and all the big stuff I did not want, like those super big tarps and gun covers, which that one thing does appear to be a gun cover. I do not want. I really don't got the space for a lot of stuff. Thinking about maybe having a garage sale this coming Friday, Saturday in a few days, but I'm not sure. I got a Thanksgiving dinner to go to at my dad's house. Okay, everybody, we got some really cool stuff. An old mining jacket. I tried this on. I wish it fit me better because I would love to wear this. It doesn't fit me quite right. An old dinghy with the original paddles. The dinghy's probably gonna be shit. It's probably gonna have holes in it everywhere, but I scrapped it. Tomorrow's my trash. Tomorrow I put out my trash the day after my trash gets collected. All these old magazines are pretty cool too. These are just like whatever, Elvis. You know what? These probably don't have a lot of value, but oh, that one's really bad. That one's getting pulled out. But these are things that stack and tuck away easily, and they're good garage sale filler items. I like little filler items that are easy for selling. Okay, I don't think these magazines have much value, but they're cool little filler items for my garage sale 1975. You know, they are good things to have around at a garage sale, in my opinion. I like little filler items like this that, you know, drive people's attention. They show that you, right? I don't know, that's what I've noticed. Original Lincoln logs with instructions. Oh, just dishes. Collective plates don't actually have value. I've learned that from watching people on TikTok and other places. Oh, this jersey probably won't. I think it's baseball. I don't know anybody that's a baseball person. My family's hockey and football. Coasters. I think this is meant to be like a pressure cooker, but it's made of plastic, so that's weird and freaky. More collectible plates that aren't actually valuable. Oh, I'll show you all the military stuff in a separate clip. This is a cool old shovel. I don't know, I'll probably just scrap it, but I thought it was cool that that's how it's meant to be. I thought it was just a shovel head. Not as much stuff this time, but still. Like that's, oh, that's Harley Davidson. My mom's boyfriend might want that. Oh no, is this milk glass? Oh, this is all just gonna be donated. Oh, donated or tossed right in the garbage. Salt and pepper shakers, no thank you. China just doesn't have any value. This big set might, but a lot of this I'm gonna get ready for donating to, there's a local community center that my brothers do a lot of programs at, and they do a lot of good things for the local community. They do a lot of programs for new Canadians and help out homeless people and different groups. Like they always put together homeless kits during the winter. Sometimes when I get extra stuff like hand sanitizer or Lysol wipes out of the garbage, when I get cases of them, donate them and they hand them out to people. They do a whole bunch of great things. New Canadian, they teach a lot of programs to new Canadians, like teach them how to skate. So whenever I find hockey skates, I try to donate them. A bunch of different things. They have a room in the community center where they put all the stuff for free. They mostly want clothing, but dishes are also useful, so that's where I donate everything to typically, or I put it on the curb for free and it does disappear. I'm gonna get through this, organize it a bit more, and I'll see you guys later tonight. What'd I say? Thanksgiving will bring a decent bit of cans, hopefully. This is the first house. Look what was in the bottom of the paper bin. I almost missed all this. I picked up a bowl fire pit off camera. It sounds a bit silly, but I've always wanted to try having a fire in one of these, and I've never had one, and this one's not in too rough a shape, so I'm going to take it. Yeah. I've had one before, but a long time ago. What you guys guess for pie pans? I got a tall blue one in the driveway. I'm starting with old sheet. Curious how full we'll get it this week. Wine bottles are already been full. And a decent bit of pop cans. There's a giant pile of metal up there. Not a giant pile, but I don't got the time to go through it. Somebody told me where it was, but I'm going to leave it for the professionals. It's a workout bench and stuff like that, and concrete weights. I don't do nothing with concrete weights. I only like the steel weights. Anyway, see you at the next one. I tell you that it's across the street from where I got the bowl fire pit. It looks like people probably did a lot of cleaning out this weekend, which makes sense. You know what I mean? Which makes sense if you know what I mean, right? This weekend you probably clean out. Or this last weekend, like last week was Thanksgiving, right? So if you're not going anywhere, clean out the garage, clean up the backyard, get yard work done before the snow comes, you know, normal things. At least that's what I did over the weekend. Did some yard work and took apart a bunch of stuff, got some clean brass, you know. Anyway, see you at the next stop. There's so much metal in here tonight, we might fill up and head home and then come back out. There's a pile of metal here and we're going to take a bunch of it. Trash bag, thank you. Another trash bag, thank you. Plus, I'd like to make some extra money this fall, you know what I mean? Work hard, get a lot of empties, and work hard doing empties this fall so I can chill over the winter and not go out as much. Like, that's just, unless those do have batteries in them, that's going to be a pain, but. Oh, take an air compressor. Oh. That's a good chunk of metal. Oh, come on, don't get tangled in everything. Not even gonna test the leaf blowers. Too late in the year to test leaf blowers. I think that was a scrap dude. I was gonna flag him down because I don't want all this, but maybe we'll take some of the stuff. It's kind of a cool bucket with all the ocean spray. Those are just juice stickers though. Maximize our space tonight. Oh. Okay, I'll see you later. Okay, we're gonna be done with soda cans because we filled our tote, and then towards the end of the night, we're gonna take more. I'm not sure if we're gonna go home and unload or not. Depends how much more we find. That's a decent pile of stuff though. Yes, as my mind starts jumping a few spaces ahead, right? I find one pile of metal I don't take, and I find another one, and I'm like, you know, I'm sure you guys can tell, right, based on watching my videos. Yeah, gotta check a few more houses here. We probably won't go home and unload, but we might. Depends what we find on this street and the next two. Molson Canadian boxes. No Molson Canadian cans. This guy normally has some. Yep. I see at least one on top. Yuengling cans, bottles. Can't take Yuengling bottles because they're American. Okay. Come on. $2, about $3.50. Oh, laptop. I'll go to my friend. He likes doing shit with laptop. Rubber boots. $25 and a dime. There's another dime. $25. Hey. Same house. Okay. Trying to decide how much more I'm going to run before I head home and unload, and whether I want to go back out or not. Wine. Gotta love the wine bottles, I know I do. I feel bad for people that don't got a deposit on the wine bottles. Most of the other can collectors don't take wine bottles. Some of them do, a lot of them do, but a lot of them don't. Those magazines are nice, but I don't need it anymore. I got a couple. I am pretty happy I got to fill up before going into the third neighborhood. So here's probably 2.5 totes of alcohol, cans and bottles. Coffee can. Okay everybody, thanks for watching tonight. I am going to go back out. I don't know if I'm going to film it or not, so you guys will either see that or you won't. Just unloading the tin shred. Into the utility trailer.
So I can't pull it too much because it's in the side yard next to our house where there's no driveway, so if I overfill it, it's going to be way too heavy. Anyway, I think we did really good. We got a Wii. I know there's a Wii and a Wii U. We have a Wii U, and I think that's a Wii. So there is a difference. I'm not really sure what, but there is a difference. Anyway, really not bad. Probably 10. Okay, guys, the camera's dead, so I'm gonna leave you guys at home. Anyway, like I said, probably 20, maybe 35 bucks, $35, maybe 40. Let me quickly pull up my phone before the camera dies again. 7. Okay, my phone said 7 o'clock. So this is an hour and about 10 minutes of collecting. Really not bad. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning when I'm out. I'll show you this load when I get home. I'm not going to film any of the collecting, but I'm going to go back out probably in an hour or two. Don't forget to like the video, and I'll see you next time.